Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows was unable to complete the format error specifically for Windows 11 users. If you're getting this message when trying to format a USB or SD card, follow along for a quick and easy fix. To fix this, let's open Disk Management. Click the search icon in your Windows 11 taskbar and type Disk Management. When you see Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions, click it. Now, look for your drive in the list. Make sure you select the correct disk. Right-click on the disk and select New Simple Volume. This will guide you through reinitializing the drive with a fresh volume. In the wizard, click Next a few times. When you see the option to assign a drive letter, choose any letter you prefer. I'll rename it as USB drive for simplicity. Click Finish to complete the format. And that's it. Your drive should now appear in File Explorer, fully formatted and ready to use. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped you fix the Windows was unable to complete the format error on Windows 11, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you next time.